How to manage your tweets on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your tweets on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is just go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture. Then go down and choose settings and privacy right here down. Click on it and choose the fourth option. It's privacy and safety. Click on it and choose the second option. It's your tweets. Now right here you can manage the information associated with your tweets easy and fast. You can turn on or turn off as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.